Ingenieur line this year. We took a lot of inspiration from motorsports racing and especially highly sophisticated technical materials in that world. And it's probably the most technical Ingenieur line we've ever had. It's a line with manufacturing movements and special case materials, all linked with motorsports. The piece really that inspired probably the Ingenieur line most is the Ingenieur automatic Gerald Genta design in the 70s. And we looked at this design, which was probably one of the most iconic designs in the Ingenieur and IWC history, and decided to dedicate a new product to that heritage, the new Ingenieur automatic, coming in a very timeless and calm design, really making that clear link to the history of Gerald Genta, this iconic design from the 70s. One of the centerpieces of the new collection is the new Ingenieur chronograph, the chronograph racer. We have a chronograph here which not only is able to stop the lap time, but you also have the tachymeter on the outside ring to determine speed, one of the most iconic features in race watches. The watches come in a totally reworked overall design, where we brought the diameter down to 45 millimeters, which is still a very strong and big diameter, but we improved the variability. We reworked the entire fit on the wrist, gave it new straps and new strap technology, combining a caoutchouc layer with a textile top layer to have perfect durability and varying comfort. One of the fascinating things in motorsport, and in particular our partnership with the Mercedes team, is the rich history of the Mercedes in motorsport racing. The history of the 30s and 50s, of the famous silver arrows, inspired our designers to work on a special execution, a dial which takes some inspiration from the dashboards of these cars. These dashboards were made from aluminum with a kind of circular grinding, and the black instruments really sitting in that dashboard. Silver file as well comes in a 45 millimeter stainless steel case, has a special engraving of a silver arrow on the case back. The flagship of the new collection is the Constant Force Tourbillon, probably our Formula One in watchmaking, one of the most exciting pieces when it comes to high-end complications. We use a hand-wound movement fitted with a Constant Force Tourbillon, which is a especially big tourbillon with a special power curve, releasing the torque and the power in a very continuous way, assuring the perfect accuracy of the watch. And this movement is one of the most complicated movements we built in IWC. The watch comes in a 46 millimeter case made from platinum and ceramics.